Hello guys, welcome again to this channel. So today's topic is first in world. That's a topic of static GK for military nursing service revision series. I would like to include all the static GK for further more videos. So please subscribe to my channel and hit my like button. So let's start. The first question is first country to use glass. It's Egypt and Mesopotamia. The second question is first radio telescope satellite. The first radio telescope satellite was the Halka, which was made by Japan. The third question is first country to use map. It's Mesopotamia, which is in Greece. The fourth question is first spaceship landed on the Mars. It's Viking 1. The fifth question is world first multipurpose river project, that is Tenesa. The sixth question, world first shuttle launched, that's Columbia. The seventh question, first rocket to go near sun, that is Helios B. The eighth question is first country to make constitution, it's USA. Ninth question, underground first metro rail was made by Britain. Then 10th question is first unmanned moon missile. The moon missile in which there was no man, so it was Luna 9. The 11th question is first spacecraft to carry man to the moon, it's Apollo 11. The 12th question is country to give voting right women was first New Zealand. The 13th question is first country to appoint Lokpal, it's Sweden. The 14th question, first country to impose carbon tax is New Zealand. Then the first male in the world. The first Asian to head ICC was Jagmohan Dahiya. The second question is first man to climb Mount Everest is Hillary and Norway. The third question is first man to walk into space, that's Alexei Leonov. The fourth question is first man to go into space was Yuri Gagarin. Then here something misleaded. Information about the planet. So the fifth question is who was the first one to give information about the planet around the sun? That's Nicholson. So the sixth question is complete encyclopedia was provided by firstly who had provided the complete encyclopedia. He was Asphyxis. The seventh question is go to both poles. Who had gone to both the poles, the north as well as the south pole? That was Ranulph Fiennes. The eighth question is man to reach the North Pole is Peary. The ninth question is man to climb Mount Everest without oxygen. That was Phu Dorji Sherpa. The 10th question is man to reach the South Pole. It's Amundsen. Then I would like to revise you all about the first females. The first woman president of our country is Maria Estela Perón. The second question is first woman to cross Strait of the Gibraltar was Arti Pradhan. The third question is first woman cosmonaut was Valina Tereskova. The fourth question is first woman prime minister was Sri Maubi. She was from Sri Lanka. The fifth question is woman to cross 7 seas was Bula Chaudhary. The sixth question is who was the first non-white female to win Nobel Prize in Literature? That's Toni Morrison. Seventh question is first woman to reach Antarctica is Caroline. Eighth question is first woman to have a spacewalk was Svetlana Sveskaya. So these are all the questions of first in the world, first female, first male. So I will come up with more new videos on static GK for the revision series of military nursing service. So if you liked my video, so please hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. I will come up with more new videos and try to achieve all of your seat in military nursing service. Thank you.